Hello viewers, this is your instructor, Warrant Officer Class 1 Pamford Richard. I've come your way with another lesson on aircraft propellers. We will still be continuing our lesson on propellers with the basic principles. The last time we met, we spoke about how thrust is generated. We also learned something about the blade angle and then the angle of attack. Today, we will talk about the propeller pitch. Propeller pitch is a distance in inches that the propeller section moves forward during one revolution. So you realize that because the propeller has been tilted at an angle and it produces thrust, when it makes one complete revolution, it must move the aircraft by Newton's third law of motion. It must move it to a distance. So one complete revolution makes a distance of the aircraft. Aircraft moves in a certain distance. That is what we call a pitch. Now, it is so because the propeller, as I said, per design, is not made to be straight, but it has been tilted. Tilted, and also it has been designed such a way that right from the shank to the tip, the thickness are not the same. It keeps reducing from the shank as it goes to the tip, then it becomes very small. It is so for a special purpose. It is called pitch distribution. Pitch distribution is a gradual twist in the propeller blade from the shank to the tip. And it is there not just there for their sake, but it is there for a reason, so that the thrust produced by the propeller will be evenly distributed along the entire length of the propeller blades. So you see that the blade section nearest to the tip travels greater distance through air than the section near the root. That is the more reason why the propeller is designed, or it has been designed in such a way that the roots or the shank is thicker and getting to the tip is thinner, so that at the roots it will produce enough thrust, and then when it is getting to the tip, the thrust becomes small. It is so to ensure even distribution of thrust along the whole length of the blade. Now this variation, the variation from the roots or the shank to the tip, is called blade twist. It's called blade twist. So on the board, you realize that right from the roots or the shank, it is bigger because the roots or the shank is thicker and getting to the tip is thinner. So you don't have the same thrust at the root as it happens at the tip. It is so because the tip runs faster. So you have a higher angle at the shank or the root, and you have a smaller angle at the tip, so that the thrust will be evenly distributed along the entire length of the propeller blade. So today we will also end this lesson here, and then I'll continue the principles the next time I meet you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.